Hello everyone. So now let us discuss about table, matrix and cards as a visual which is to be added in the our canvas. So directly let us jump to the screen. Let me show you first what is the table, matrix and the canvas and the card. Okay. So first of all, you can see if I click over here and on the visual this is called as a matrix and this is called as a table. So what is the difference between the table will be helpful when you want to have a detail in such a way that it will be shown as a tabular form. Okay, but the matrix could consider as a pivot table which we were applying in Excel. So the same way we are going to create table for the region wise total sales. So let us jump here. Just click on the table button. First of all, one pop-up will be coming up over here. From the order, we want what we want. Yes, we want to have a region versus total sales. So find out the region. Click here. Whatever the columns you are going to select, it will be automatically populate over here side by side. So you see that region and sum of total sales are there, but we want to have the detail in such a way that it will be from largest to smallest. So we will click over here, just drag it up till below like this. Okay, and here the visualization is something different. So how you can do this? Let me do again. Click over here, go in the visualization. There is different styles are present. We are going to select as a minimal or whatever you want to have, like bold header. So currently yes, we have what is there. Just go and condense. So we have condensed style is there. I am clicking over here so that our data will be more or like condensed form. Okay, just drag it and move around so that it will be arranged properly. So this is one thing. So by this way you can add on the table. Now it is time to add some matrix. Let me hide this for now and let us add matrix. So just click on this. Automatically one pop-up will be coming up. Drag it to bottom right hand side first. And here the matrix we required based on the market and its category. So if I click over here and if you go here, yes, I want in such a way that it should consider as a market, like row wise I need market. Just click here, you see automatically it is coming up over here. And based on the categories which will be considered as our column, you can click and drag it. And also we want to have profit, its profit, like how much profit we have generated from different category. Click it, you can see our details has been coming up. Just drag it below whatever you want to like it. Okay, and done. Now the date, these all three is taking more space, so that's why you can manually reduce the width by selecting each and every one. This is the manual workout and you need to do it as per your conveniency, so that all the things whatever you want to club you can club it together. Okay, just let me select it. Sorry. Yeah, yes, it is little bit time consuming because we want to have proper alignment. So what we are going to do, okay, let me paste here, let me drag it up till where. Now the data is like it is like 2-digit format. Yes, if you want to change the data you can change it, like under the theme, go to the values, not under the values but specific column. Yes, in the sum of total, apply to values. So I think you need to search it where the field is available. And this exercise I'm telling you to find and consider in such a way that this point figure will be hidden and only full figure is available. So maybe it will be available I will request all you to find it, and otherwise I will guide you. Okay, so let us skip that part for now. I am just keeping it over here. From here I do not want to have the total which is available row wise, and yes, we need total for all the columns. Select, go here under the visuals, column subtotal we do not need, but row subtotal we need. And here the sorting has been done based on whatever you want to do. Like currently it is Africa and all, maybe it is based on the total. So let us uh, click over here, okay, and hide it. So likewise you can add the different things. And also if you want to add the header, like go here, you need to add the title. Just search it, quickly search, and maybe you need to click on, just here type what you want to do, market versus category profit, market versus category profit. Okay, so our heading has been coming up over here. Likewise you can add on. If you want to have a border, let us go here, in the general effect, visual border on, and the color if you want to select, and the border you can give. Same thing we want to apply it over here. See, this is the format painter that I want to teach you. You can select whatever properties you have assigned. Just click on the format painter and apply where you want to do. So whatever properties you have selected, it will be automatically applied to the format painter area. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. So likewise we have added. Now it is time to add these things. So total sales figure we want to add first. So this is called as a card. Card will be one unique value that will help you to add based on the selection parameter. Just select and here you remember we have generated one measure which is for the total sales. Just click it. You see the figure is matching. Just reduce and adjust based on your conveniency. Let me put it right now like this. The text height is little bit high, so let us reduce this under the property, not in the property, but here you need to search it, data format, that I have to search it because this is trial and error. Whatever things you want to add, you can add it based on your requirement. Currently let us keep this as it is. Just let me little bit reduce, and I think this text, let us search it. Okay, yes, it is not available. Size, let us find from the size. Yes, it is call out value. So let us reduce to 30 for now. Okay, press enter. You see the figures size has been reduced. Now reduce the box size. Okay, and done. So by this way you can add it. Now what you do, copy and paste, drag it, move it and paste wherever you want. Here we want to have a average profit per order. Instead of this, go here, remove this and just click here so that average profit per order will be visible. Copy, paste, paste it here, and distinct customer. These are the things which we have generated. Let us remove as a measure. Do you remember? So by this way you can add it, copy, paste, drag it, a sum of net profit we want to edit. So let us click it over here. Before clicking you need to remove this and select this so that the figure will be coming up. And now we want to have a sum of total order quantity. Okay, sum of quantity. So let us remove this and sum of quantity, just find and edit. So likewise we were able to add, and you can select all, drag it little bit, and if you want to do a formatting for all the things simultaneously, you can add it. Let's assume that If you want to have something as a effect as a visual border, so let me click so that I can show you. Let me increase little bit. You see all the borders has been applied. Now our table is not properly arranged, so put it in such a way that it looks good. Okay, so this is the trial and error things, and you need to do it manually, okay, with the help of dragging and using the mouse and all. So I hope this is clear. By this way we were able to have all the things like these cards we have added. We have added the table. I think the table formatting is little bit different. So let us have a condensed fill, and here also the title we have added. Here if you want to add the title, you can add it. So by this way you can do whatever you want to add it. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box and I will be very helpful. I will try my best to give you the outcome. I will request you. I am although attaching this as a attachment up till now, whatever workout has been done, but it may possible that data modeling will not work in your PC. So I will request you to please do it manually so that you can create this kind of dashboard easily. See, all the formatting which I am applying, that is based on my requirement, which I have already predefined that whatever things I can do so that my layout looks good. But for your case, it may possible that you may have to do trial and error so that your report looks good. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, thank you.